the central locking had stopped working on our family's 1990 124 300 TE, and so the vacuum pump was the likely cause. So like the sedans, it's hidden under the right side middle seat for a wagon. So out comes the folding seat of the base. You don't need to take the rear out. Then we're going to take off the side sill, which you lift from the outside and work your way into the attach bit. The two little surrounds on your seat locators are removed. You just lift them up from the trough side and then they come out. Then the carpet needs to come out, and I'm sorry about filming this with one hand, it's a bit average. And underneath you'll find your vacuum pump simply sitting in the foam box. Now I apologise, this is actually after I've taken out showing the two cables. However, when it's in situ, you can see here, this is how the pump actually looks. So this is the old pump with a little cap we put on it. You'll notice there's actually only two electrical connections on the one side. The new one on the right side of that unit, there's a third one, and I don't know what that was for, and you'll see that in just a second. So here's the part number for the new pump, and you can see there's a third connector there. I don't know what that's for. All you have is two connectors and a vacuum line, and these simply attach and then it goes back in. All this takes about 20 or 30 minutes. It's not a particularly complex affair. Whereas in the sedans, there's no carpet over it, so I understand it's very easy once you take your bench seat out in the back.
Press the remote. That's fine. And do the remote. You're doing it. Yeah. Again. Yeah, well that all seems to be working now.
So I found after the new pump went in, it was very quick, and I imagine these things degrade over time, so you don't realise your system's getting slower. But once in, it's now very quick to operate.